Okay guys, so I'm back again with a quick video. I'm going to do a tutorial on how to force switch your networks on Google's Fi network using Google Fi and your phone and using Signal Spy application. All right, so as you can see, it's showing Sprint's logo, but I mean I'm getting 3G right now, but it's still running. I mean it's still working. Um, I'm still getting data, so um, it's still working right now. But I want to show you just in case you get stuck, you get no service or anything like that, or you think T-Mobile slow, you think Sprint slow. Um, I'm going to show you guys how to actually force switch the networks and things and that sort. So what you want to do is you want to just drag down. Okay, as you can see, I'm on Sprint right now. So let's say I want to see a US Cellular will appear. All right, I want to do that. Then I want to hold and press and paste. Then as you can see, it says switching, and that will pop up here at the top, the hidden SIM card. Okay, so it says error failed subscription key, close. So error is right there. But all right, so let's say you don't like that. You want to force switch it back. Let's say you get that icon, right? That means no service. All right, you don't want that. Okay, we want service. All right, we all want service. We want signal. All right, so what you want to do is you want to hit, okay, let's hit T-Mobile. All right, let's hit T-Mobile, paste. All right, switching and switching. Set invalid and close that. All right, so LTE is popping up, as you can see, LTE, and voila, it force switched back to T-Mobile, but it didn't do an auto switch. So like Google's going to find the best network. Basically, Google's going to find the best network for your. Oh wow, okay, wow, okay. Now it's showing US Cellular. That is so, maybe it did work. Okay, I think. Very interesting. So let's see if we are actually on US Cellular. What? This can't be right. This can't be right. Wait a minute. It's showing US Cellular. It's showing US Cellular, guys. So yeah, this application is a freaking beast, man. Let's give it a little try, shall we? Let's give it a try. All right, so let me go. My bad. Let's just go to a. All right, let's go here to Moto G6. Let's see if it's actually giving me US. This is in. Wow. Hold on. All right, let's go. Let's go to Android Police Home. Let's see if it's sent it home. It wasn't too bad loading. Wasn't too bad loading, guys. I don't know. What do you think? What do you think about that network switching? Okay. All right. Wow. Okay. Wow. So it showed back T-Mobile again. All right. Let's try it again, guys. Wow. It showed T-Mobile. Okay. Let's try again. Let's try the US Cellular. All right. Let's try. Paste. Let's see if we can get US Cellular, guys. Here we go. Switch it to MCCC. Okay, we can close that. Exit out. Let's see. All right, here we go. We're doing it live on YouTube. Well, not YouTube live, but here we go. I'll show you guys how to force switch the networks to switch which one you prefer or which one's giving you. If, like I said, if you're in an area you feel like T-Mobile is slow or Sprint is slow, then just get this application, Signal Spy. All right, this is for Google Fi users. It don't matter what phone you got. Now, actually, it does matter if you got a Motorola, a LG phone. If you got Motorola, LG phone, or a Pixel, these applications will work because those devices are fully unlocked. but you have to get them unlocked. You can't get them from a carrier. They have to be fully unlocked. And okay, since we getting a little 3G, we getting a little 3G real quick. Let's actually take a look into it. All right, so we got EVDO Rev A signal strength minus 93 dBn. Let's see if we can get more stats. Hitting the more button. All right, so the network derived update network operator Google Fi Sim operator. Enhanced LTE detection is true. Roaming is false. Okay, so right now we're still on 3G, but let's see what the speeds are. All right, let's see if we could go ahead and update. Let's see if it'll actually update to Google now. And all right, let's just tap on that real quick. Okay, another test, guys. Whoa, that's not bad. That's actually not bad. I mean, you can read the article. You want to try a YouTube video? Let's try YouTube video real quick. Let's see. Let's try some YouTube real quick. Let's just try the Hulu.
When you're right, you're right.
That is...
Wow, that is actually not bad. We're on US Cellular, guys. Wow. We are on US Cellular. Wow. Okay. All right, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I mean, yeah, it's just showing 3G right now, but hey, it force yeah. The force network thing actually works, man. All right, this is just another update after that video.